Hey guys, what's up? My name's Aiden. This is my first video on this channel. This is mostly just like a log for the projects I'll be doing to try to get into college, but also it will be just a place for you if you want to learn how to build stuff or just want to follow along with what I'm doing. So, for my first project, just got the idea. It's to make something to wake me up in the morning, because in the morning I have blackout curtains because my neighbor has a really bright light, and I was thinking, well, with the blackout curtains, because I don't know when it's day or when it's night to wake up, so I am going to use servo motors, and I'm going to use it to flick my light switch on when it hits a certain time in the morning. So I have all the components I would need right here. I have a a servo motor. It just says yaw on it because it was just from a previous project. So yeah, I have a servo. I have a little RTC module, which stands for real-time clock, which I picked up on Amazon, just a couple bucks, but it measures time and it outputs a signal when it hits a certain time. I have a Frankenstein's breadboard, a Elegoo, it's just basically an Arduino, so that, and some electrical tape, and battery pack, screwdriver, and all the other stuff that kind of tracks making a project. So, alright, the first thing that I'm going to do, all this other stuff will save for another video. The first thing I want to do is I want to just start from the very bottom. I want to figure out how I can get this servo just to rotate once, just because I don't know if you can see, but there's tiny holes here that I'm going to attach string to flick my light switch on. And the goal for right now is just to figure out how to get this thing to rotate 360 degrees so it pulls the string up and the light switch flicks on. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little building montage here of building it. Just want to make sure that the servo actually works, because this thing's been used in a couple other projects. So, yep, I'll start a montage of me doing that. Alright, montage's over, just for now. I think everything should be hooked up okay. I have the servo hooked up to ground. Yep, okay, ground is all connected. I have it hooked up to a 5-volt pin on the Arduino. I have the battery pack on the voltage in slot. I was not sure if I should connect it directly to the servo. You can let me know in comments if I'm doing anything wrong. Yeah, because I'm still very, very new to this, so please tell me if I'm doing anything wrong. I just really like it, and I'm trying to get to know it. Alright, so here's everything here. There's no code on the Arduino right now, so I should probably get code on there, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Everything should be wired up. I just wrote up some code with the help of AI because I am going into high school and I have not taken my coding class yet, which should be soon. But I have the code right up here that I'm going to show you guys. So, okay, here's what it is. Just a simple, I'm trying to, it says up here, hold on. Alright. So it says here, hold on, oh, okay, we're good. So it says include the servo H library, so the servo, it knows actually what it is. Then servo my servo, I'm just saying that I'm creating the servo. Then void setup, this will only happen once, and it's just saying that the servo is attached to pin 8. And void loop, it's going to move the servo to 0 degrees, which is like the main position. Then it's going to wait for 1 second. Then it's going to move 180 degrees, then stop for another second, and repeat everything again. So, that's the code. I already sent it to the thing, and we're going to see if that works. I'm guessing it will. We'll save this. Alright. So, now you have this footage here. So you can see everything's wired up perfectly. The one thing I didn't do was connect this because I didn't want it to start going off for no reason. I'm pretty sure that the battery pack will just supply all the electricity we need. So I am not plugging it into my laptop. So I think we should be alright. So I'm going to do what I did. I'm going to put it in the... I'm going to put it in the voltage in. Oh! It's alive. So you can see here, it's doing exactly what the code said. Well, hold on, let's reset it. It waits it's at 180, and then it goes back to 0, 180 to 0, 180 to 0. So that's exactly what I thought would happen, which is good, which means that this servo does indeed work. I did connect it to D8. Did not connect it to an analog pin because that's not what you use for this. You just need a it's a digital pin, yeah, or just one of the D pins. Do not remember what it's called. All I know, there's digital, analog, but could someone please tell me in the comments what the pins are called that are not? Whatever, it's fine. Whatever one D8 is. That's what I plugged it into because I didn't need anything fancy. So yeah, you can see it's just doing exactly what it's supposed to. That's all I really need to know for this video. I'll keep updates, I'll make a series on this. So, darn, just unplugged everything, that's okay. But yeah, I'll make a series on this. So, anything that I build, I will tell you about right here on this work mat. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more of these. This is just part 1, but there will be many parts, and eventually where I do finish the project, and if you follow along, you'll get to see the whole thought process there. So thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.